fine. Whether issue of equity share is called rights issue and issue of preferential is called preferential issue?
Never get confused. It is the basics of company law. Section 81 actually deals with this.
Okay, sir. So you mean rights issue is covered under section 81?
Yes, both rights issue and preferential issue is covered under section 81. You should also always again remember that 81 is applicable only to a limited company, public limited company. So section 81 is applicable only to a public limited company. Here it talks about whensoever a public limited company offers further shares after 2 years of incorporation or after 1 year of first allotment, it shall be offered to the existing shareholders on a proportionate basis. Be very clear. First, public limited company. Second, it is coming out with a further issue. Third, after 2 years of incorporation or after 1 year of first allotment, then it shall offer it to the existing shareholders on a proportionate basis. If it is not doing so, then it will become a preferential allotment. Like say, even it may offer to the existing shareholders, but if it is not on proportionate basis, then also it is a preferential allotment.
Offering any time after 2 years of incorporation or 1 year after first allotment is called rights issue.
Yes, rights issue can be done by passing a board resolution. Preferential issue, that is issue made to a particular group of people, like particular group of directors, particular group of employees, particular group of shareholders, or anything which is not in the nature of rights issue becomes a preferential issue. That requires special resolution by shareholders. So whenever you think of special resolution, always remember Form 23 shall be filed with ROC within 30 days.
So preferential issue has nothing to do with preferential?
You're perfectly alright. Preferential issue has nothing to do with preferentials.
Sir, what is meant by green shoe option?
Not bad. You still remember green shoe option. Green shoe option is a post-listing price stabilization mechanism. I'm repeating, it's a post-listing price stabilization mechanism. Once the shares of the company is getting listed, you are, like say, still if you find there are excess demand in the market, then you can go for an excess allotment not exceeding 15%. That is, if you ask for 100 rupees, you can allot till 115 rupees. That option is given to you post-listing. So it is called a post-listing price stabilization mechanism, for which purpose you will appoint a stabilizing agent. Stabilizing agent will be there to buy and sell the shares of the company during the stabilization period. This is all about the green shoe option.
So what about red herring prospectus?
Any prospectus which is filed during a book building issue, as we seen earlier, any prospectus which is filed during book building issue is called a red herring prospectus. The peculiarity of this prospectus is that it will not mention any price of the security or the number of securities offered. As we have seen, the price and the number of securities when it comes to book building process will be decided only after the final receipt of all the bids. So red herring prospectus is one which will not have any price and the number of.
Sir, actually I have started enjoying law when you were teaching. It's quite